Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody. How are you all?
Good. How about you?
I'm also okay, beta. All right. So, is it cold there?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very cold.
Cold in
Ma'am.
Pune. And what about Hina?
Yes, ma'am. Here is very cold.
Oh, okay. That is why you're wearing a sweater, no?
Very cold.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All others, who is left? Ubada. Ubada, you're not supposed to join here today. Bilal, switch on to your video. Okay. Why only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children have joined? Where are the others?
Shall we
All right.
start class, ma'am?
What, beta?
Shall we start class?
Yeah, we'll start. No, we'll not wait. But I'm just wondering, where are the others? All are busy sleeping, I think, because of cold, no?
I
Okay.
don't think they have COVID. They attended the class yesterday.
Which classes? This is the first class. How can they attend any class before this?
Yesterday.
I'm talking about now, Bilal. Are you sleeping? Good morning,
No.
then. Okay. I'll just share the screen, okay?
Ma'am, what we are doing? English or life skills?
Life skills, no? Wednesday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Did I give any task? Anything I told you all?
No.
Yes. Now I'm going to ask each one of you to read one question to for the other child, your friend, which you wish. You remember that truth or dare that day we
Yes,
did?
ma'am.
Okay, that we'll play as a game now. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. No studies. We are going to do it as a game now. All right?
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
We all will have a change. Okay. Now look at the first. Now first I will choose the student. That student will read the first question and you will give the question to your friend. Choose your friend. Okay? Can we start? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you say yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you together, beta. Have you all understood? Yes. Okay. Now I
Yes.
start with Nida. Nida,
Yes, ma'am.
who is your friend whom you want to ask this question?
Hina.
Hina. Okay. Otherwise, Bilal, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first question I'm giving you. You ask somebody of your choice. Come on.
Yes, ma'am. What superpower would you like to have and why?
No, in order. Go in order, no, beta. Otherwise,
Okay,
it will
okay.
become
Sorry.
confusion.
I'm reading my question and answer. Okay.
Okay.
If you won $1 million in the lottery, what would you do with the money?
You asking whom?
Hina.
Hina. Hina, your first question for you was?
Okay, ma'am. I will give half of the money to poor people and half of the money to charity, and that money will left, I will take it.
Okay, Hinda and Haran, I'm putting you in the waiting room. Your videos are off. I cannot say every time that on your video.
I just joined.
So please switch on to your video. You should say good morning when you join, no? Is it a bad morning for you?
It is a bad morning for me because I had to wake up at 9:30.
Oh, so it's a bad morning if you get up early?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the next, okay, so Hina said Hina is going to give some money to the poor, some for charity, and other part of the money, what you'll do, Hina?
I will keep it.
Oh, so are you going to give me some money?
Yes. Okay.
Please take me for shopping, okay? We both
Okay,
will
ma'am.
go together for shopping. All right.
Yes.
Now, the next person I choose is Musa. Musa,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
read the second question for your friend and that friend will
If
answer?
you had one day to
Second,
live,
you could be a boy. Choose your friend
you could
first.
be mm,
Quickly.
Hinda.
Hinda. Okay. Hinda, this question is for you. Be ready. Yes, read the question.
If you could be a boy for the day, would you and why?
And Hinda, you cannot say no. You have to say yes and give us the answer. That is dare. Come on.
Ma'am, what's the question?
He already read the question for you. Where were you?
Yearly, ma'am.
Musa, read the question again.
If you could be a boy for the day, would you and why?
Come on, Hinda. Suppose if you could be a boy, imagine you're a boy. Just change yourself to a boy. Come on. Simple. Give an answer. Be bold. Unmute yourself first. Okay, Hinda will be a boy. She'll do like this. Yes? Yes? Come on. It's a game, beta. You just have to think and answer, bacha.
Hinda, you have to give an imaginary answer, not a real
Yeah,
one.
we are not doing anything real. We are not changing you to a boy, beta. Okay, now say the truth. I don't want to be a boy. Say.
I don't want to be a boy.
You would not like to be a boy. Yes.
That was such a simple answer. You could have only
Yes,
given
you
that.
could have said so many things, but she's just feeling shy. Okay, now the next question I am giving to Nida. Nida, choose your friend.
Who?
Who?
You are on mute. Nida, you are on mute.
Hinda, ma'am.
Again, Hinda. Okay. Now, this question, if Hinda will not answer, no, I will put her in waiting room then. Okay, read the question, Nida. Hinda, pay attention. Third one, if you only had read beta. If you only had one day.
If you only had one day to live, what would you do?
Oh my God, Hinda, come on. Suppose you have one day to live and it is the last day. And then what are you going to do? Such a horrible question. No, if it is the last day, what you will do?
Ma'am, I will try to live my life to the fullest.
Oh my God, she will cry. Okay,
She will
don't
try.
worry. This is just
She
a
will
game.
try.
So don't take it personally. Okay? All right, Hinda, we got your. She's going to cry because she's going to miss.
Arey, she's not going to cry. She's not going to cry. She said that she's going to try to live her life at full.
No, she said cry. No.
No.
No, ma'am, I'm not crying.
No,
I'm
ma'am.
laughing.
Try.
Acha, you will
Try.
try. Oh my God. I'm so
Try
sorry.
to
I
live
thought
her
she's going to
life at
cry.
fullest.
All right. Very good answer, Hinda. Very nice. Okay, now I'm choosing Sarah. Sarah, you will read the question and Who is your friend whom you want to share the question with?
Wow, Kalishar.
Please choose a different friend. No need of Hinda again and again.
Hina.
Hina. Okay, I'm sharing the screen. Read the question. This one. What
What superpower would you like to have and why?
Okay. All right.
Ma'am, I like to have a transportation superpower.
Which one?
Ma'am, I have one
1
superpower.
minute, Bilal. Let her complete. Bilal, what she's saying?
Ma'am, she said transportation.
That is superpower.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Oh my God, really?
Can
One
I say
place to
something?
another. Yes,
What?
Can
ma'am.
I say something?
One place to another.
One place to
Can I please say
another.
something?
Can you
Yes,
spell
ma'am.
that? What is the name you're saying? Can you spell that word for me?
Transportation.
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 Yes.
Okay, that means she wants to go from one place to another.
Ma'am, it's
Ma'am,
teleportation.
can I get a chance to
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
the question?
Teleportation.
Okay, very nice. Okay, Bilal, now you say what you want to say.
a question.
What, Bilal? What you want to say? Say.
Nobody wants to ask me a question.
Bilal, I'm talking to you. What you want to say?
Nobody is asking me a question.
They will ask you. Wait, no, there are no friends of you, I think so, in the class. Okay, now the next person is Hamza. Hamza, who is your friend?
Ma'am, Hinda, please, you never told me to ask.
Arhan. Hamza will ask Arhan. Worst gift. Read this question.
What
Worst gift
gift you have
ever received?
ever received?
Yes. Now, which is the gift, worst gift, Arhan, you have ever got?
Chocolates.
Chocolates? So you don't
I
like
don't like
chocolates?
chocolates.
Oh, he doesn't like chocolates. So please don't give Arhan chocolates, all of you. Okay? If you want to give him, don't give him chocolates, but
Ma'am,
anything
very
other
cheapest. Ma'am, very cheapest thing is only chocolate
than.
and
No,
nothing
why? There are
else.
so many expensive chocolates also. Who said cheapest thing is chocolate?
No, ma'am. He said he don't like chocolate. So
Okay.
any chocolate he don't like.
Who doesn't like?
Arhan.
Okay. Now the next question goes to Ikra. Ikra, who is your friend? Choose somebody who has been not chosen. Don't take the same name.
Madiha, ma'am.
Madiha has just joined. Very good. Okay, Madiha, there is a question for you. Good morning, beta. All right, Ikra will read the question. You have to answer. Yes, Ikra. Name one person.
Name one person in the room you would last like to
Least like.
like to be stuck with on a
Dessert.
desert
Island
island.
and
Why?
why? Yes. Okay. Madiha, name one person which you would least like in your room. You don't like that person. If you are left in an island, who is that person? Quickly. No, there has to be somebody. ऐसा होता नहीं है that we don't like anybody. There is somebody we don't like. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Come on, Madiha, give the name. Any friend, any auntie, any uncle, anybody.
Ma'am, she's saying her brother.
She's chatting.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, our brother. You don't like your brother?
Ma'am.
Yes, Madiha, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Madiha, beta.
Ma'am, she's chatting only.
I think there is some problem. She likes her
Ma'am, she's
brother.
saying that I like my brother.
But I asked her the other way, which you don't like, whom you don't like. Any person you don't like, you are stuck in an island in one room. Who is that person?
No one, ma'am.
No one. All right. Next person now.
Ma'am, Hinda, can I say? You have not
Wait,
asked
now
me.
Inda is left. No, yes, Inda, your turn now.
Yes, ma'am.
Choose a friend.
Ma'am, I want Musa only because he had also asked me this. Like,
Okay,
that
Musa,
question,
your
sir.
turn. Come on, be ready, Musa. Read the question.
Can I get a question?
I will give you. Don't worry. I'm your friend. Come on.
What is the meanest thing you have ever done?
Musa, what is the meanest thing you have ever done? See Musa smile. He's thinking. Musa, have you done any meanest thing anytime? Yes. Sometimes we do
I
some
don't
things.
remember any.
No, you have to remember. It's a question. Come on, we are playing a game. Who is Steve? Who is Steve? Can you all see somebody with the name Steve?
Ma'am, maybe that is Syed or Mohammed Zohair.
I don't know.
Syed, ma'am. It's Syed, ma'am.
I removed him.
Syed.
I removed him. I removed him. They cannot use such names which are not in the class. I cannot keep such people. I'm not allowed. Okay? He has to put his name. Only then he will get entry. Okay. So Musa, what you don't remember any meanest thing you have done? Why? Come on, think. No? No idea?
No idea.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now the
he's
next
sad.
one. Who's left now to ask? Bilal.
Mummy Hina.
Hey!
Yes, I'm asking Bilal the question. The last one now. How you cheated to
Ma'am,
win a
I don't
game?
get to choose in one person only.
I will give you. Come on, Bilal. Bilal, answer. How would you cheated in a game to win a game?
Whenever I play a game, I am so slow that I can't even cheat.
You cannot cheat.
Yes, because I am very slow at playing games.
Acha, you're slow at playing games, so you're saying the truth. All right. Now, Hina, your question. Hina, what are you saying?
Okay,
Hina,
ma'am.
you got a chance, no?
Asking that
That
Not-
nobody, now assume that nobody is your friend in the class. Now what to do? Madiha, can you ask any of these one questions to Hina, please?
Okay.
Any one question to Hina. Quickly.
Ma'am, in next phase, have you cheated to win a game?
Yes, Hina. Have you cheated to win a game? Come on,
No,
say
ma'am.
loudly, yes or no?
no, ma'am.
Really? Are you
Yes,
sure?
ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Now, who else has not got a chance? Okay, nobody has asked Nida
Syed.
question. Nida.
And Syed.
Syed is not there in the list. I cannot see. You can see Syed? I cannot see him.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I cannot see him. From where you can see him, Hina?
No, ma'am, I'm telling he is left.
But is he there in the class for me to ask the question?
No.
Then why you're saying Syed? Whoever is present, I can ask. No, who's absent, how I will ask. Okay, Hamza, I'm asking you one question, Hamza. Be ready. What superpower would you like to have and why?
Spider-Man.
What?
Spider-Man and Batman.
Spider-Man and Batman. Very good. Okay. Next question. Who's left? Sarah, ask one question to Nida.
Okay. Name.
Yes, name.
Name one person in the room you would like to be stuck with on a
Desert.
desert island. Why?
Come on. Nida, which one person would you not like when you are stuck in a room in a desert?
My brother.
Your brother? Why you don't like your brother, is it? Unmute yourself. What, beta? He fights with you. Okay.
Yes.
Now I now completed this. I'm going to the next page now.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I didn't catch.
What? Just now somebody, I asked you, no? To ask somebody. Yes?
Ma'am, me. You didn't ask me.
Oh, Arhan. Arhan is left. Okay. Arhan, I will ask you, okay? We'll go to the next page and we'll start the next question. Arhan, the first question is for you. Have you ever said something out loud that you were thinking without realizing you said it out loud? What was it? Sometimes you want to say something softly, लेकिन तुमने जोर से बोल दिया और सबने सुन लिया. Did you do that? Yes? Yes. What was it? What did you say?
I just remember I did say it loud, but I don't know what was it.
Acha, you said something, but you have forgotten. Okay, good boy. At least he said the truth. Okay, next question goes to Bilal. Have you ever stolen anything, Bilal?
A
Have you
strawberry.
ever stolen anything? Chori kiya aapne kabhi?
A strawberry. A strawberry.
A
when we were
strawberry?
visiting-
Okay.
Yes,
From
when we were
the
visiting my
strawberry
when
garden?
we,
Farm?
no, when we were visiting my nanny's house.
Okay, Bilal is a strawberry chor.
Ma'am, see my sister and Ikra.
Oh, so sweet. What's her name?
Palak, ma'am.
She's your real sister?
Huh?
Your real sister?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, wow. Falak. Hi, Falak.
Hi, Kadam.
Hi.
Ma'am, you can say also clearly all words.
Okay, what is
In
your
English.
name?
बोलो नाम क्या है? Palak.
Falak. Okay, Ikra Didi is nice. Ikra Didi is nice.
अच्छी हूँ मैं? कहा अच्छा या मैं अच्छी हूँ?
What she saying?
अपी.
Appi अच्छी है. Okay. Very sweet she is. Flying kissy. Okay. Now
Like his brother. He
Huh?
like only me.
she likes
He
only
don't
you.
like his brother. He like only me.
And Taha, how are you, Taha? You're fine, Taha?
Fine.
Okay, beta. Okay, Ikra, उसको हटा दो अभी चलो. We are studying.
Ma'am, can I ask one more question?
Yes, wait. Now I'm giving you a chance. Hinda will ask the next question. Hinda, third one. Have you ever walked? Ask somebody. Come on, Hinda.
Have you ever talked
Who is the
behind the
friend you're
back?
asking? Ask Hamza. Hamza.
Okay, ma'am.
Hamza, listen to the question Hinda is asking you.
Okay, ma'am. Have you ever talked behind the back of someone in the group?
Hamza, have you ever spoken
ma'am.
bad about somebody behind the group? Yes, behind the
ma'am.
back. Yes?
No, ma'am.
No?
No.
You don't talk
No,
bad
ma'am.
about anybody behind their back? Sure?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Sure.
All right. Now next question Arhan will ask. Arhan, who is your friend? Arhan, who is your friend?
Bilal.
Okay, Arhan
Bilal,
ask
ma'am.
Bilal.
Question.
Yes. Have you lied to a teacher?
Have you lied to a teacher and what was it about?
Yes, beta. Come on. Bilal, have you lied to a teacher? And what was it about?
I am.
What,
in my
beta?
own.
Yes,
Well-
you all lie to teachers. Huh? Now don't tell me that you all don't lie.
Yes.
Yes. Everybody tells
I
lies.
lied. I actually lied to you, and I said that, ma'am, I have a cold. A very long time ago, I think 2-3 months ago, and I told her, ma'am, I have cold, and I ate paratha instead.
And you ate?
Paratha.
Ah, it's okay, no problem. पराठा खाया ना, आइसक्रीम खाते तो मार पड़ती आपको. Okay, no problem. चलो, next question. Musa asked Hina. Next question. Worst grade?
Worst grade you ever got on a paper?
Yes. Hina, worst grade. In your exam, worst grade you got A, B, C, D. Which was that?
E.
Huh?
E, ma'am.
E grade. Oh my God.
Yes, ma'am.
For which subject? Say,
I
beta.
think
Huh?
maths or Hindi. I think maths or
Maths
Hindi.
and Hindi. Actually, maths, some children find it very hard, no? Maths?
Ma'am, Hindi,
Yes.
ma'am, Hindi.
And Hindi
Ma'am,
Marathi
Ma'am,
also,
for me,
because
it
it
is
is
like
not
maths.
our subject,
For
no?
me, it is so easy, ma'am. For
What?
me, the math.
Me also.
For me, the math is so easy. I like math.
Maths is easy in the matlab in the lower grades. When you go in the higher grades, no, you will
Yes,
find it
ma'am.
difficult, bacha. So now only concentrate nicely in maths. Make your base stronger, all of you.
Even English, ma'am, sometimes. Ma'am,
Yes.
even English
Okay.
is
Now
hard.
Arhan will ask this question to to Ikra. Most embarrassing?
Ma'am, Arhan is saying so many times everyone a question.
It's okay, okay. Don't get jealous, Hinda. Let it be. Come on, Arhan. Unmute yourself. Most embarrassing thing?
Most embarrassing thing anyone has ever said to you.
Ikra, what is the most embarrassing thing anyone has told you?
Ma'am, she doesn't got the question embarrassing.
Okay, embarrassing means something you feel shy, or you feel suddenly somebody has asked you and you feel ashamed, you know, embarrassing. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
come on. Anybody has asked you any embarrassing question? Actually, in your case, you all are very small. Such questions won't be asked to you all. Okay, so I'll ask
Ma'am, a
you.
lot of embarrassing stuff happened to me.
Sayyad, why are you putting your name as Steve and why is your video off? Shall I ask Christina ma'am to complain to your parents?
Ma'am, that Steve button I pressed by mistake. I was changing my name only.
You're not supposed to put such weird names and enter. I will not take you in the classroom, beta.
No,
I have
ma'am.
removed you.
Ma'am, that was my mistake. That was my by mistake.
Okay, please put your own name so that I can let you be in the class. Otherwise, I'll have to put you out. Okay? Okay, now I'm asking one question to Sayyad.
Ma'am, all the teachers told that we will roast the teachers, but teachers are telling to roast the friends.
What?
Ma'am, like Fatima ma'am was told that we have to like ask the questions to the teacher, but you are saying to ask the question to the friends.
No, I'm not playing that game. That game session, somebody else is going to play with you. Okay? I'm doing my life skill normal session, Hinda. Suddenly, Hinda comes up with something which I know about it. I'm not playing that game. I'm doing the session, beta. Okay? All right?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you ask me once?
Yeah, I'm asking you. Have you ever broken anything of someone else's and not told the person?
Yes, ma'am.
What was it?
Ma'am, my sister's like that glass.
Sister's glass? Chashma?
Ma'am, my sister buried us like small mirror there piece and I have broken
Okay,
that and I have
small
not
mirror
told
you have
her.
broken and you never told her. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Now, Sayyad, there is a question for you, Sayyad. Pay attention. Have you ever stolen anything?
Yes, ma'am. 2-3 times from my cousins.
What?
Because like sometimes they steal from me, so like for revenge, I steal some of their stuff.
What do you steal?
Like the toys they play with a lot of times.
Toys.
Yeah.
Whose
I
toys?
just hide them.
Whose toys?
My cousins, because they steal all of them.
See, I'm so happy that he's saying the truth. Very good boy. He said the truth. He's not feeling shy. He stole the toys, so he's saying that he has stolen. This is what the game is about. You all don't have to feel shy. Bilal also said, strawberry chore, Bilal. Yes, Bilal? Yes? Okay? Understood? This game is like truth and dare. Okay, one question I'm asking now. Sarah. Sarah,
Yes.
have you lied to a teacher and what is it about? Yes? Have you lied to a teacher and what is it about?
When I was in first standard.
Oh, she was in the first standard. Okay, what did you tell lies, beta?
The project.
Oh my God, Musa, 1 minute, Sarah. Musa, is that your sister?
She's my little cousin.
Your little cousin? She's so cute. Hi. What's your name? What's your name?
Hey, hi.
Hi. What's your name,
My
beta?
name is Myra.
Naira. Oh, she's so cute. Naira, you want to join online classes? Naira, do you want to learn with us? Yes?
No.
No? No?
She's feeling a bit shy.
Yeah. Okay. Sarah, tell me, when did you tell lies? In the first standard, no? Sarah? Tell me, when did you tell lies?
I didn't do the homework.
What, beta? You didn't do your homework. Okay. And the last question now, Madiha. I'm asking Madiha.
Ma'am asked to everyone one question that have you
So now we have
you ever
completed the
stolen?
session. Hinda, you don't teach me, beta. I completed the game now. Okay? Okay. Madiha, your turn now.
Yes.
Worst grade you ever got on paper?
What?
Worst grade you ever got on paper? The moment you tell Hinda something, she will close her video. I don't know why.
I can't understand what are you saying.
Worst grade, A, B, C, D grade you got in your exam. See, Bilal is dancing. See, Bilal. Okay. Which is the worst grade you have got? Anytime you got any low marks, beta. Every time you don't get good marks. Sometimes you get low marks.
Ma'am, in
Huh?
life skills.
In life skills?
Life skills or in public speaking.
You got less marks. How many?
I don't know.
Oh, then how can you say it's the worst marks? You should know the marks also. Just for saying.
I have seen it.
Okay, you forgotten
have
the marks? Okay, no problem.
Yes.
Now, one more question. Okay, this goes to Bilal. Bilal, have you spoken about somebody behind their back?
No, but I knew someone who used to.
Yes, it is bad manners to talk about somebody bad behind their back.
I knew someone who
Always
used
talk
to speak
on the
around
face.
everybody's
All of
back,
you.
but I won't
Please don't
take his
talk
or her
bad about anybody behind their back. Speak it up. Tell them on the face. Go personally. Tell them nicely.
I'm actually cowards only, they only backbite.
Yes, it is a bad manners. Imagine now I go from here and y'all all talk about me. Is it good?
No.
Or suppose one student is gone and I'm talking about that student.
Ma'am,
See,
I
I
know
never talk behind. I tell you all on the face. I tell
Ma'am,
you
I
all
know-
everybody
I
on
used
your
to know a
face.
particular
Yes,
person,
beta.
ma'am, who whenever someone passed
Can
by,
I
she
say one question to you?
Yes, tell me.
what?
Could you go 5 days without food or 5 days without cell phone and social media?
I can stay without food, but I cannot stay without the phone, beta. I will become mad.
Why?
I will become mad alone. Without the phone, I will feel lonely. Okay? All right? Okay. Now let's end the session. Please be prepared for tomorrow's test, which we did not complete yesterday.
Ma'am, do you sneak snacks when your mom isn't looking?
Ma'am,
What, beta?
Hi, ma'am. Can I
Do
go,
you
ma'am?
Ma'am.
sneak snacks when your mom isn't looking you?
test?
Yes, I eat
Ma'am, what
snacks.
is
I
the-
eat lots of snacks. Chup chup ke.
Ma'am,
Okay?
ma'am, what is the portion of life skills?
There's no. I will let you know afterwards. There's no exam, I think, for life skill, oral exam. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Don't
Very.
worry, I will let you know. Yes, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
What's the test? Ma'am, what's the test?
Yesterday, that golden sparrow bird and which else, Hina? Which topic?
Ma'am, that golden bird.
And
That we have no. Balinese. No.
Ma'am,
That
have
only
you
the
ever
golden
walked
bird
in
only.
your sleep? Ma'am, have you ever walked in your sleep?
No, beta, I don't walk in my sleep. I don't have
Me
that
also.
habit. No,
Me
I don't walk, beta. Okay.
like to walk.
Chalo, now I'm ending the session. Bye bye.
Ma'am, tomorrow is of the golden bird.